Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Wise. So simply, first of all, when you open your account you have to add money. To verify your account, simply go to balances, and after that simply click on add, and now here type the amount that you want to add here. Simply click on continue. After that you need to complete the verification process. So simply, there are two ways to verify your account on Wise. One is get link by email. Simply click here. Now open mailbox in your phone and simply install Wise app in your phone. So in this way you can verify your account, and after that you have to upload your national ID. Simply, there is another way. Just click on continue. After that scan a QR code. So here simply scan this QR code in your cell phone, and in this way you can verify your account. So after that there is another way. If you don't have cell phone, simply click on continue, and after that click on I don't have a phone. Now click on continue anyway. Now select your country here. After that click on next. Select a document type, driving license, national ID. Simply click on next. So now here you have to take a photo of your national ID or driving license, and after that it will take some time and your Wise account will be verified. So in this way you can verify your Wise account.